Welcome to ACF, the online platform for GATE Agriculture Engineering. And this is all about me. You see the next concept. It is very important concept, and this is going to be the I think almost the last concept. I think one or two concepts remaining after this concept. So I think 95% of your farm machinery portion theory and questions has been covered up to now, whatever I have made the videos upon the farm machinery. So you understand this one also very carefully. Friends, it is saying that when the vertical plate planter is moving and when the rotor turns in the direction of ground wheel, in the same direction of ground wheel, जब हमारा रोटर ग्राउंड व्हील के सेम डायरेक्शन में मूव होता है, then what are the calculations we are doing? I think all of you know that for vertical height it is h is equal to 1 by 2 into gt square. In intermediate you have studied s is equal to ut plus half at square, but u value is means initial velocity is 0 because it is dropped. That's why it is h is equal to 1 by 2 gt square. And for horizontal distance x is equal to vt because in horizontal direction there is not any acceleration. That's why x is equal to vt. And friends, this is the case when the rotor turns in the same direction as of ground wheel. मीन्स जब हमारा रोटर ग्राउंड व्हील के डायरेक्शन सेम डायरेक्शन में होंगे दोनों, then how we are doing the calculations? Friends, simply you can see here that the net velocity is equal to Vg minus Vr. That is very important. Vg minus Vr is the net velocity when the rotor is in the same direction of ground wheel. जब हमारा रोटर और ग्राउंड व्हील का डायरेक्शन सेम है तब हमारा जो नेट वेलोसिटी होगा Vg minus Vr. Vg is the velocity of ground wheel and Vr is the velocity of rotor or known as periphery velocity of rotor. And friends, tan theta, I think all of you can see here, tan theta is simply the x by h. Because friends, you can see that tan theta 1, you can see that tan theta is simply the height by base. So here you can see that tan theta 1, if you see that the height is x and the base is h, so tan theta is equal to x by h. So theta is equal to tan inverse x by h. So theta is the angle made by the seed with the vertical when it strikes the ground. आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखनी है because many times they have asked in the previous year and upcoming years also they can ask questions upon this, and this is very much important because this is the simple logic of vectors. I think you have studied in intermediate. The net velocity of travel or the relative velocity of travel v is equal to Vg minus Vr when the vertical planter is rotating in the same direction of ground wheel. And when the planter is rotating in the opposite direction of ground wheel, then what is happening? You can see here. Friends, here also everything are same. Horizontal distance x is equal to vt, vertical distance h is equal to half gt square. Theta 2, here you can see that theta 2 also x by h. But friends, the only difference is net velocity of travel. In the previous case, you can see that v is equal to Vg minus Vr, and in this case, v is equal to Vg plus Vr. This is the only difference you have to follow. आपको केवल और केवल यही चीज देखनी है. जब हमारा अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में होगा, जो हमारा रोटर होगा वो अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ ग्राउंड व्हील के रोटेट करेगा, तब हमारा जो नेट वेलोसिटी होगा वो होगा Vg प्लस Vr. और जब हमारा रोटर सेम डायरेक्शन में होगा तब होगा Vg minus Vr. This is the only difference. I will make it more clear with the questions I will solve upon this topic. Friends, you see this question. Here it is saying that the planter has in periphery a speed of rotor is 20 meter per minute and the ground wheel is 5 kilometer per hour. And friends, it is saying that direction is opposite to the ground wheel. यहाँ पे opposite का केस है, and I have told you that when it is a case of opposite, when they both are moving in opposite direction, then simply v is equal to net velocity is equal to Vg plus Vr. And when it is a case of same direction, then V is equal to Vg minus Vr. Here it's a case of opposite direction of velocity. So 20 meter per minute is the velocity of rotor. Ground wheel is 5 km. Convert it all those into meter per second, and then V is equal to Vg plus Vr. That is 1.72 meter per second. After this, friends, we have to calculate in the question that what is the how far the seat move horizontally. Friends, the horizontal distance it is asking. Horizontal distance formula I have told you, x is equal to Vt, because no any acceleration in the horizontal direction. That's why it is simply x is equal to V velocity into time. Velocity we have calculated the net velocity 1.72 meter per second, and time we can calculate by using the relation h is equal to 1 by 2 gt square. H value here it is given in the question, that is 90 mm is given in the question. So h is equal to 1 by 2 gt square. So time you can get 2h root under 2h by g. So you should calculate the x value, that is 23.3 centimeter. It is very easy, friends, and it is asked in the previous year. Here I have not mentioned the years, so you don't think that these are questions are not asked in the previous year. These all questions are asked in the previous year questions. I have touched only the previous year's questions, because the previous year questions are only the term card for clearing the GATE examination. Nothing will help you as more as the previous year questions. So your main motto and main focus should be in for the GATE is GATE previous year questions, because whatever the GATE has asked in last 30 years, in the 31st year also it will ask the same thing, or 32nd year also. मीन्स जो हमारे गेट ने पिछले 30 सालों में पूछ चुका है, उसकी सारी ऑलमोस्ट सारी कॉन्सेप्ट्स खत्म हो चुकी है. मैक्सिमम 5 to 6 मार्क्स क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं एग्जामिनेशन में जो न्यू होते हैं, जो नया होते हैं. रिमाइनिंग 95 आउट ऑफ 100 95 क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं जो प्रीवियस ईयर के ही कॉन्सेप्ट और लॉजिक्स रिपीट होते हैं. इसलिए गेट ने जो पिछले 30 इयर्स में पूछ लिया है, वही वो 31st ईयर में भी पूछेगा, 32nd ईयर में भी पूछेगा. मैक्सिमम 5 to 6 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन वेरी करते हैं, और हमें 95 मार्क्स नहीं लाने. हमें एग्जामिनेशन में 70 to 80 के बीच में रहना है, और उतना अगर अपन ला लेते हैं तो ईजिली अपन टॉप 5 में या टॉप 3 में तो डेफिनेटली दिस ईयर तो टॉप 3 में ईजिली अपन स्कोर कर सकते हैं. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, यू सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Here also it is based upon the previous concept only. Here it is saying that maize planter is 20-degree angle rearward from the vertical and the seed plate is 6. This question, friends, you can see that the seed plate is at a height of 600 mm, means 0.6 meter, and the planter speed is 7 km per hour. And it is asking what is the horizontal velocity at speed, what is the horizontal velocity with respect to ground when the seed reaches the furrow. Means when the seed will fall at the ground, then what is going to be the horizontal velocity. And it is saying that 20-degree angled rearward from the vertical, means vertical से 20 degree का angle बना रहा है. तो simply first thing we will do that we will take the components, means v cos theta and v sin theta. That is very simple thing, friends. V cos 20 is in the vertical direction, v sin 20 is in the horizontal direction. So first thing we should do, consider the vertical direction, motion in the vertical direction. Friends, initial velocity of seed entering the tube is 0. So you have to read this also. And friends, all of you have studied in your intermediate that v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So here the u is 0 because initial velocity is 0. So v square is equal to 2as. So v is equal to root under 2a, s is the height. So h you can write instead of s. So the height is 600 mm, that is 0.6 meter. So root under 2gh. And friends, v cos theta, v cos 20, because in the vertical direction v cos 20 is the component. So the distance traveled in the vertical direction is equal to root under 2gh. So you can calculate the V value, that is 3.65. Now friends, come to the horizontal direction. What is happening in the horizontal direction? In the horizontal direction, the component is V sine 20. So V sine 20 you can calculate, that is 1.25 meter per second. And friends, now the planter speed is 7 kilometer per hour. And friends, you convert it into meter per second, that you can get 1.944 meter per second. And now friends, it is, you can see in the question it is asking that horizontal velocity with respect to the ground, means जो हमारा प्लांटर है वो मूव कर रहा है और उसके साथ साथ हमारा जो सीड भी है उसे हमारे प्लांटर से ही वेलोसिटी मिल रही है. सो हम लोगों को ग्राउंड के रेस्पेक्ट में कैलकुलेट करने के लिए उस प्लांटर के स्पीड को माइनस करना, मीन्स हटाना होगा, बिकॉज आवर seed is moving due to our planter speed. When we are sitting on the planter, then we can see that it is moving with a speed of 1.25. But when we remove this speed of planter, then we can calculate the actual speed with respect to the ground. So actual speed 1.944 minus 1.25 is equal to 0.694, that is 2.49 kilometer per hour. Friends, this is also the GATE previous year question asked in the year. I forgot, but I have not mentioned the year. Then you don't think that this is not the GATE question. All these questions, whatever I have solved, are the GATE questions. So you should, each and every question you should clearly understand and try to solve by yourself also. Friends, these all questions and concepts I have deal with the farm machinery section is very important, and all are asked in the previous year GATE questions, and these all you have to be mastered in these topics, then only you are able to crack the GATE examination within top 10 or top 5 rank, because these days so much competition is rising, so you should be very clear with your concepts. And friends, my motto of making video on farm machinery is to remove the fear of farm machinery, because most of the students I have seen that they are feeling, means panic and feeling uncomfortable with the farm machinery section. They can do well in the other sections, but in farm machinery they are facing so much difficulties, they can't get the confidence to solve the questions. So my main motto of dealing with farm machinery is that only, to remove the fear from your mind and from your concepts, that you can easily excel the examination in the better way. So subscribe our channel and share to all the GATE aspirants.